years ago, me get every audio, every conversation of this same woman will take right to me. I know everything when we talk.
Hello, my people. How na dey? Also na dey fine. We still dey on the matter. E get this video where be say Monica do. I go put am for now. Now listen to this video. When I listen to this video, about 001. Una know say many people say it's a bit manipulate people. Na person wey be say they do underground work, you go come pretend say no know anything. As I listen to that video, when una go listen also, when I go put, I know say most of una will come my comment section, una go dey cry. I bet if the bucket don't full, una let me know. Mona just cry me a river. Now wait till I see for media. I not go anybody house so. Okay? Because I know so na sabi dey. I know say me sabi block na. But I no want block una. Mona for just dey cry for them. If I see say una cry don't too much, I'll start to the block una head. As I dey listen to that video, now Monica come tell say 2 years ago, na this Sarah matter fair come meet am. Me I no know say na 2 years. We say 2 years ago, Sarah matter fair don come meet am. He said because she no bring her out, so she can say make them try to settle her. As far as say na Hairworld friend, you understand? So this one where Hairworld come they tell us say she be the thing say they don't resolve her. Hey, even Monica even talk and say conversation day, you know, the thing even vex her. Hey, now wash out. So this woman, you know, this one na my opinion. If you not like, una cry. Me, I no concern me. Waiting me they think so. My own opinion. I gbon about opinion one. I so much believe say after where Abba don dey draw Destiny Bagwa and Esther, the thing they sweet 001. Take it or leave it. Because what she thought, she said she not even the wash, she not know all these things. Now when her friends come, then she can't know say something is going on. Who you wanted that one, not be me. I can where Esther for use Abat Mama te sing. Everybody see that thing. He say she not see. For my own opinion, I so much believe say when this Abat don't they draw Destiny for money, people don't they pay. This one na my own because this 001 na person wey go sabi they do underground work. He go tell his friend say, oh yeah na, go there if you want make your money come out. Make them for call they call and say she be good person. Na my opinion, okay? Now because of waiting me don't hear even for the video where Monica even do, even the way where she take talk. Now waiting me I just like think. Go meet her now, make your money for come out, okay? Because I even do when I do video, I can say your old friend, you not get a number, you don't know where they stay. The thing get as it be. Una know say some people there's a be manipulate people. They go like do one, can't do one like this. They'll come talk say, you know, now she do. Nobody go feel come out from my brain. Now she do. So me someone believe say now make that one go meet Abat. Because if you go look at where after you don't meet Abat, even the video where she do, it never reach 24 hours. He pay that money urgent. Some people sabi use people head though, but not be person like me. You feel use head. Me I don't really know. Say you want come tell us say now you want come pay thing where you don't know for 2 years ago. They say now 2 years ago now this thing happen. 2 years ago, this one where she called the thought say she not know anything. Just to say you are the good one, that one are the bad one. And most people they thought say you doing well, because now your friend. She not know say na friend before, not be 2 years ago. If you want pay the money, you know plan to before they come they drag before the friend come. Now plan work. Me as someone believe say na plan work. Now your friend now. He go say, oh yeah, now go come out to. No worry, the money me go give out to you. Why she not pay the rest? If now as people they talk say, now the good wife, you are very good. See as they pay your husband money. Pay the rest, maybe for no say, yes, you are really a good wife. Not pay only your friend. Oh. A good wife will really do everything. Okay, my husband not feel. Let me clear all of them. Why you want clear your friends? Oh, you can't leave the rest. The rest people, they not be people. They not be person. 2 years ago, you know about these things. You say you don't know anything. You think say the thing don't resolve. And you just run before you know. You don't go put the money for your account. Make people come say, you are a good woman. You are very, very good. You not doing for his house. You not doing the time where this one carry and go meet Monica. They said the woman carry and go Monica. Now Monica talk and put the video. He said the fair carry and come. She not bring and come and say, "Wa doleji wo wa mona try mona settle this issue." Not be everything go they come out. Now wow. Now what? Just like before, wetin happen before. People come they cause the 002. They cause say na bad bad you know. Now you good pass. No, he say na she they pack audio they come out. This one now I someone believe say now she send down go meet Abbat. She for do for his house, so no. She want make you do one. Make people come they talk say you are a good wife. Mona suffer you, not be everybody here now feel use. If you want pay money, go pay even the rest. Maybe for the Thursday, you be good friend. You know, say your friend, your husband, the owner, for good 2 years, just for people come they talk say, now your friend now, you know what make business go down. Pay am for his house. Make I put the video for now. See, una no feel not be everybody una feel they twist the brain. You get people when they feel twist the brain, he go come they praise you. You are the good one. You are the this one. Make una sit down. Make you sit down. Reason. I not say you not do one. Say you go pay. But you for not come do one for them. They come they talk say you be good person because now you send that to Abbat. Yes, because why? What make me talk? This kind thing don't fair happen before. You go do the something. You go hide. You go hide. You send and go meet Abbat. If you want your money now, oja now. Now washa. He say they see anything. They beat your husband. They beat the second one. When he can't reach your turn, not to lemu, you say you want because you want to do good wife. You not do good wife, may you clear the rest people. She been one day Abbat bring and come and say he don't pay 33 million euro naira. He say don't pay, and you not know. You were not aware. Your old friends can't come and turn out the rule. One so free. This social media not be everybody or not be everybody. Now here therefore they draw your husband, they carry a bola come out. You don't fair do one before. You don't fair do one. You don't fair do one. So who will tell me now say no be you send your friend go meet Abbat. Nobody fit tell me say no be you send them. Go do one. May they for praise you because nobody go praise you. Hey, now washa. Una do. Make I put Monica on a listing. Even the thing who provoke Monica herself. You una listen. Now bye my people. Nyama people. If you not fit for husband house, act by worry. Now you will the gainer self. Now you the gainer. Why? You born for them. Now you the gainer. Now you the gainer. Una bye my people. Mona help me love and like and share this video. When I listen to this video, I say not true. Even me, now see the video where I even do. I know say something was fishing. Something was fishing. The way we take rush, they pay the money. Or mark your account today or push any. Because you know, say Abbat go bring the this thing come out. Abbat go come out. And really Abbat come out. And I got hele. Or where's you hear this one, the other one. Just to push people brain. Just to like, now wash out some people. Una bebe my people.
It's my people. You can hate somebody, but still do not allow another person play a smart manipulation on you. If you must hurt somebody, if you must pity somebody, let it be the right way. For me, if I pity you and not be the right way, na manipulative way, na me stupid pass. And me, I hate to be stupid and you think you are smart. Because I may not go. More than think on my people. If a woman is so smart, so strong, you know what you want, is educated, is this, is that, why does she have to always manipulate to make a statement? Why does she have to bear and stay in a place that she doesn't want? She always wants social media to speak for her. Then later she will sit down and claim the maturity. Mona Tinkamo, this is not the first time. This is not the second time. I will use one banner. I will go back. Just because you hate one person. And this one person will not hate. So now our way and our character, where she they show, this is who I am. Yes, some of the things where she they talk and do as a mother, you know good. Yeah, we know where she's coming from. She need to stop it. But at that, a good person is a good person, even with a bad actions. Okay? And a bad person is a bad person, even if he do mune. A bad person is a bad person. This is somebody that have always sold her husband. In midst of trouble, he will sell his husband. He go hide the head. This social media, Mona not let them use una again. Mona not let them use una. If we must pity people, let's pity them genuinely. Tell me the reason why you are bearing inside a place where you yourself, if they can treat you badly on social media, meaning they are treating you even more bad on ground. Why are you not setting a boundary? Why do you need social media to always do it for you? Why? If you say she's local, why can't you fix her? Put her where she belongs. How come she's always at the top of the game? Hello? This time, Mona, stop roller coaster, emotional for people. Mona, stop manipulating. If you are a snake, get inside the bush. Get to the green grass. Not on social media. I hate snake. And snake, they never get satisfied. Because you are a beer. And lion, if you give lion big food, may eat. He go belly full. You feel go follow and play. He no do you anything because he don't belly full. Because he know they vomit. Snake, give a human being. He go swallow your pikin. Within 1 hour, he go vomit am. He go swallow another goat. He go vomit. They never get satisfied. And they small, they're there. And you can't even, many people not go eat them. They are useless. You use them do friend that go bite you. You use them do enemy. You are on a risk. No, if you put them for bag, for no reason. Snake they bite person not be because say if they hungry. Make una reason now where. Like me now. I did Osman's yes for 25 years. You think say I go do juju? No, it's because I set my boundary. But many of you now go see the boundary now say, you lock husband for bottle. You don't know husband where they lock for bottle. It's shaman where get mama for her life. Which bottle I want lock and where mama no fit fly, go break the bottle. Or the man you look and say, na in best side. Now if you put somebody like me for us. And you know, say me no easy. How in best side if you put me for us? Eh? See small competition where we do now. This small competition, me use and get has cash. I use and take carry Range Rover from people, 45,000, they put join. Go see person where follow me do the competition. 300,000 debt. He said, debt na debt, oh, debt na debt, oh, debt na debt, oh. No. 50 person where they pay 50 euro. And person where they pay almost, if they work because of their debt, not be debt, oh. Well, shut up, oh. Okay. Please, social media, you what? This time, what you want? When you use the social media, those cyberspace, rotational, the same thing, you know good. And the same people. Now, yes, all your boy, whether you like it or not. Because small money, they're not the year, now big money, in the end of the year. But this one, they naive, eh? Please, my people, I'll come back. I never mention name, but I know, say some of you know where they go, where they come from. But we go mention name. Please. Why we don't want mama? We don't want pa we mwa. Oh, we mwa. Ye, she now not get any family member where he deceive inside this thing. But the one where they say, na good. He carry best friend that be there for her. Ona muyu nana. 2 years ago, me get every audio, every conversation of this same woman. Wait, take right to me. I know everything when we talk. Wait till she they do that time. I be you say me no ask and say, okay, what about the person where can introduce you to her? How come me no pay that time? The one use until do popular that time. But I am not into that anymore. Because a woman no can okay, please. Why again yeah? I saw me why they are dangerous. Then the one that say dangerous, you know dangerous nothing. You can hate her because now she they do some kind things we not good. Because she not sabi pretend, she not sabi manipulate. A manipulator, a manipulator, they will almost win everybody, but at the end, everybody will regret. If we must join or follow them to fight this fight, my people, make we not take side. Gia wole eronia. Don't take side though. Now me they tell you, you might not believe. A manipulator. Onye niviedo ya sinwa. Na jemo engineer barangoge. Especially on the usuno. A dark woman yano. Awa. Awa shaking ya. Who can believe in they are heartless. Now you know. They are heartless. Mona not remember what happened for this social media. On a not bought that phone, no wake up that phone, like the no view or jury. On a busy on a keyboard, don't know minomina na drag Monica na drag ovie Monica. Hello. Okay, Kegiri, okay, I sell na accept him that phone. But maladian do tamuwa apology. Cause o classic bebe ti vono gwegbe se o tag mo. O e ti wo umi I beg o. Why give me what? No man male. Why get you what? Okpa de sera keso. De sera sobume. My best friend of na muno da fon enoji. Esta mami a won pa kekano e family of mamunoji. Ivie meeting re. Amayon de we ona muno da fon enoriyan. Instead ni do bi onriyan. Do no man say. We mema o da fon oji no be me meri a won pa gia da fon no mo oji. No rai, beni me mase. Beti we no wa man e we me dan. O se ya no le gawe, o da fon we, umwe ya gie no rioi. I beg, my lovely, amazing, ebo shaker, sit down, think the matter we. O vere. O ka vere vederio. A chati ne, o we ma dege. Okay, you don't know that. Wa se bien, wa gume neya, wa gume, wa na ve ton ai. O me bode gbe bere nia. Iya mi me Facebook ya u pa yo gbodo mi re. Gbe pa yo gbodo mi re. E social media hin ga gbodo we always and all the time. E give me money ka we always gbe about wa ile lo na. About wa ile lo na. You are a snake, a mature snake, a classy snake. Mino. If your second wife get what he do, you now get fight. First time, now what you know say you be action woman, you be classic woman, not be manipulator. No can manipulate. You may me ogogo. Wait till me ogogo. Wait till me ogogo. Because wait till ya reke no ere unwemi no. The two bareba. Uwe yan uwe ko mi wa wo we yan ko. Wo bi tro do, wo bi tro e o egbewe ya. Wo ma ye mi ogogo. Oji. Ba me Tonya we bi tro da fun we for the second time na bat. Agbon re nya we to ma sure. Gesu no da bian, gesu no da tinya. Betrayer. Ona pay go wa say na do boy do tam bata wa. U betray wa we we second wife or betray. It's a lie. Second wife, you have nothing to lose. Wa was wo. She have nothing to lose. Except to my negbe, you cannot lose. E ke no ma biaji de no lose ji be ba ni. Wo biajo wa u gba wa we wa. O wo juwe. E bi we no. A boyfriend, a side man. Or the second wife, no. The naive who book be a do not go no bomber be. A feel walk be our gualono, I or woone. Who no do ye gay, abo. Are you crazy? My people, I will be back. I've seen a lot of comments. I've seen a lot of play no. If this woman want about to help her in this abusive marriage where she know the fit take action, but now social media people you want use not this time. Not this time. or maybe no tabi bow da fon e near bother fon wa not boy yawe e mani social media wa classic me me classic de no me classic warrior ji warrior or say when no da fon when no ra wo be do pay o ji wa hen when me second wife when me best friend dey yo abi me boy dey yo abi me god if meet your yo wo pa no betray me betray a best friend na se ra kesoa bo se o mana pay be de no na tama we gi mu wa ge monica bo se no mana pay be ge ni